Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Don't forget to support me with a like for this video and subscribe for the channel for continuous updating, of course, and leave your comments and questions below. Also make sure, of course, to check my educational videos on how to trade the perfect entry point for Elliott Waves and how to trade exactly the corrective and the impulsive wave of Elliott Wave. So starting on the daily for Solana, we can see a great impulse here in the label, green label 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are still looking for a wave 5 towards the upside. Now your wave 5 is still, of course, has not started even yet, because we are still looking for lower prices. However, your wave 4 is still ranging in a sideways, obviously, and yeah, the lowest price that we have reached for wave 4 is perfectly touched for 0.5 fib level at 113. Now, of course, if we want to see lower prices, that means, yeah, if we touch the 0.618, then this whole impulse will be invalidated, and then by all means we are looking to an A, a B, and a C rather than an impulse, and then we want to see lower prices after that. Of course, before reaching this level, we are still bullish, and on the weekly chart, on the daily charts as well, we are still looking only to finish as this sideways correction by all means. Now, if we look at our 1 hour chart, we can see that inside our 1 hour chart, we have been the last week very bullish, of course, seeing a diagonal forming 1, 2, 3, 4 and looking for a wave 5. However, your wave 4 went very deep under the trend line for a diagonal, which it has invalidated this diagonal, because based on a wave analysis, your wave 4 is not allowed to be longer than your wave 2. Therefore, a contracting diagonal here is invalid. By all means, now we cannot consider anymore a bullish scenario, but we need to go to our bearish scenario, where we have seen here a WXY finished in a triple zigzag 1, 2, and 3, finishing WXY triple zigzag complex structure, and then definitely after 3 waves up, we are looking for 5 waves down, and here we go, it has already started. Now, of course, for this impulse that we are looking here, we have passed the 1-to-1 fib level taken from the start here, and the B, of course, in case it was a zigzag. However, we have definitely overshooted that, means this zigzag has transformed to an impulse, and we want to see continuation towards the downside. Now, of course, by all means, this zigzag fib level can be transformed to an impulse extension, and here we go. We can see now our extension for a wave 3, which is the most common target at 1.618, has been already reached. And we are looking here at 1, 2, 3 almost finished. We are looking at 4, 5. Possibly your wave 4, of course, did not finish. You need to see a zigzag, and we are looking after for a wave 5, potentially hitting the 2.618, of course, given from the 1 to the to the base of the 2, then hitting this fib level. However, if you want to measure this even much more accurately or efficiently, you can take the long the length of the wave 1. Once we bottom or we top for a wave 4, you can add the same length here, and this would be the minimum target for you as a wave 5. And of course, in that case, now once we finish this impulse with a wave 5, one more wave to finish it, we are looking for 3 waves towards the upside, and then continuation towards the downside, potentially creating another zigzag towards the downside. Looking at the 4-hour chart, as we can see in the 4-hour chart, our sideways correction for wave 4 here, this is the most highest possible scenario now, where we are looking for an A, B, and a C here as a zigzag, so A, B, C, and then we are looking at 3 waves towards the upside for an X, of course, finishing here a W with a Z, a flat for the X, and we are looking for the Y at a triangle, where we have finished already A, B, C, wave D, and we are looking now to a wave E. Be careful that your wave E might even drop a little bit down and then reverse towards the upside again, even if it overshoot a little bit down of the trend. Sometimes even it can finish just the impulse here and even start before touching the trend. Therefore, be careful with the triangle. The wave E is very tricky in a triangle. It can overshoot, and it can trick the traders that we are moving for lower and then overshoot again over that triangle massively and explosively towards the upside. So that was it for Solana. This is what we are watching for. Of course, we are looking for this trend to be hit, and then we are looking, of course, what's gonna happen. It's gonna be lower prices or higher prices. In case, of course, of lower prices, then we are definitely looking for a zigzag here, and this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, potentially as finished ending diagonal. In that case, of course, your triangle has transformed to a zigzag. Then therefore, we have finished a double zigzag WXY, finishing tree structure and going higher again, of course, after hitting the fib level of a zigzag. And of course, until that time, after we come to this area, we're gonna give another possibility here and the targets that Solana might get into it. So yeah, stay tuned and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like the updates, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.